Chris Spiker, Antelope Valley Florist. You've seen my flower shop here on Avenue J at Low Tree. It's Valentine's Day. That was last month.
I do that all the time. Okay, Chris, let's try it over.
Chris Spiker, Antelope Valley Florist. You've seen my flower shop here on Avenue J at Low Tree. It's St. Patrick's. I got to come up with a snappy window. You like the neons? I've got the Miss Leprechaun in there right now, but I got to come up with an amazing display for our window so that when you drive by at night or when you come in during the day, you'll be persuaded to buy flowers. Did I mention we sell plants, green plants, St. Patrick's? Always 50 to 100 green plants right here at Avenue J, Low Tree, Antelope Valley Florist. What are we going to do for the window? What are we going to do?
What am I going to do with the window? Wait, what happened to my hair?
Mike's on, good. Did I introduce my friend Christopher Perosi, the tech god?
How you doing?
All the way from New Jersey.
And I'm having a bad hair day because I just got
You're lucky you have hair.
I am lucky, that's true.
So happy St. Patrick's.
Happy St. Patrick's Day.
Thanks for bringing the bike down.
Yeah, you know, the green pops in the window here, it's good.
It works.
Yeah.
And you know, if you see this video and you mention the motorcycle in the window through the 1st of April, no fooling, through the 1st of April, 10% off on your next purchase of flowers.
And I'll go with you on that, 10% off the tech gods as well. If you have some computer problems, anything like that, 10% off just mentioning the bike in the window here at AVFlorist.
So what's your motto? You're saying?
Don't call a geek, call a guy.
Call a guy. Chris, thank you.
Thank you,
Happy
Chris.
St. Patrick's.
Happy St. Patrick's Day.
Take care.
Take care.
Oh, we got a plant.
There you go.
Because it is all about the green plants. This is even almost your green.
Almost. Yeah, a little bit bright.
So, Antelope Valley Florist on Avenue J at Low Tree, a great selection of plants and a beautiful green motorcycle in the front window. Come check it out.
Happy St. Patrick's Day to you.